Let's try role-playing with Tom and Jerry. Scene 1, Kitchen. Tom, I'm starving. I need to find something to eat. Jerry, oh no, Tom is coming. I have to hide. Tom, Jerry, where are you? Come out, wherever you are. Jerry, not me, Tom. I'm not here. Scene 2, Garden. Tom, I'm going to catch you this time. Jerry, ha ha, you'll never catch me, Tom. Tom, oh no, I slipped. Jerry, that's what you get. Scene 3, Living Room. Tom, I'm so tired. I'm going to take a nap. Jerry, this is my chance. Tom, hey, what are you doing with my cheese? Jerry, it's delicious.